Hey, what's up? I just want to quickly introduce you to a really cool service that my buddy and his wife now provide for HubSpot customers like yourself, and specifically clean customers. If you've ever tried to translate your web pages into a variety of languages on HubSpot, you'll know that it can be a little tedious. You literally have to go in and manually create these pages by copying and pasting the translated content into each of these modules. Not impossible, but definitely time consuming. So Dan and his lovely wife can actually take care of that for you. So if you're looking at translating your website into a variety of languages to enter new markets, well then, meet Dan.
This is Dan over here with GoodLingo. If you want to translate your website into multiple languages so you can start selling to the world, we can help. Back to you, Kevin.
Dan's a great guy. Been working with him for years, super trustworthy, great communicator, and just an all-around good guy to work with. So yeah, if you're looking for this type of service, you can't go wrong. Just go check out goodlingo.io and tell Dan I said what's up. Later.